So on today's session, it was actually pretty choppy. The overnight session was super bullish, just a nice, clean, straight up move on the overnight session on both the ES and the NAS. Once market hours opened, so once 8:30 hit, we ended up just having a really strong chop, barely any movement. It was like 2-3 point ranges on the ES. Was super patient and waited for a trade for a nice little pullback. Was able to grab it and execute on it, which is what we're going to cover right now, is that trade. If you didn't know, that trade was conducted live here on YouTube. It's free to watch, so make sure you subscribe, come hang out in the live streams. But let's go and dive into the trade recap. Obviously, the recap for the session is the market is going straight up so far. We'll see if it pulls back at the open, and then we'll catch the flows after that. That's the whole plan. News-wise, hitting home sales at 9 o'clock. Bar speaking at 9 o'clock. Did bar speaking yesterday do anything, chat? Super slow yesterday. We got the first 5 minutes of the day coming back down a little bit. Maybe we go test VWAP or something in the low mid 30s, maybe for a pullback. But I mean, it seems like a long and strong story today. Let me look at Rocket Scooter. Done that yet? Yeah, it's a BLU, obviously, not shocking. BLU hedge pressures probably down around that 30 level. We'll wait and see what happens down there. I'm gonna be patient. I'm no reason not to be tired. Man, we have amazing rips all session long, and then this or all night long, and then the session opens and it's just slow already. Hey, VWAP. Okay, let's see what happens. Nice little flush. Kind of want to see 34. Am I gonna miss it by 2 ticks? I'm just gonna go and get long here. Another 1500 though. Might flush. Let's see. Rocket Scooter says like 27-ish for hedge pressure, I think, around there. That was FOMO, Matt. Not really. I just want to make sure I got filled. I'm not going to give up 2 ticks and not get into a trade that I wanted to get in on, personally, just because I was off by 2 ticks. I would rather get in, give up the extra $25 to make sure I was part of the trade that I waited all session for. That's just me. I mean, to each their own. If I'm going to wait all session for something, I want to make sure I at least get to give it a shot. FOMO to me is more like me seeing this huge candle and like market buying on the break of the overnight high or something. That to me is more FOMO. Do I try and let it run? That's the biggest question at play right now. We got IB low here. If we can get above IB low, then I am looking for a rotation up into probably 40s. If we can't and we reject this, then not much to do. But right now we're kind of holding it. Just gonna open this up so I can make a game time decision. I'm gonna go ahead and move this to break even as well. Not really giving it a lot of wiggle room here, but we have VWAP, so if we do flush back below, I think we kind of collapse. Probably gonna get stopped out here, but we have too much down below us as well, too much interest down here for me to really want to give it a shot. So tight stop. The scratch trade right now, looking for a push out. Right now we rejected IB low, the 930 low here. Trying to give it some more room, but if we can get back above IB low, I think point of control is realistically like a good look, but we got to get above 37.5 or whatever that is. Second try, second rejection. Really just got to get above this 37.5 area. If we can get above that, and definitely if we break the prior high like 38, it's looking really good. But in between VWAP and IB low, I don't say I love it by any means, but that's why I have my stop break even. It's because I don't really need to care at this point. Just gonna do whatever it needs to do. I like my entry. I like where we are potentially holding up, but we got a new candle opening up right now. There's a stop out. That's a net negative trade. Rejecting IB low. I guess I could have gotten, what, 2 points out of that? Or something? Maybe like that, 2 points-ish. But just, yeah.